Peekaboo! It's me, here with all of my plant parts, ready to get started on your assignment today. Our instructions tell us to watch this teacher video, to search for plant parts that you can draw, color, and then eat. But first, watch me. See what I do. How do I turn my work in today before you get too excited and start looking for plants and start eating them? Hold your horses. I'll show you what to do. I'll put my plants down and let's go look at what our work looks like today. Dun, 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 dun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plant parts we've got to find. What are they? Read them with me. Flower, leaves, stem, roots, and seeds. We've got to find all 5. We'll have to draw them, color them, we can label them, and then finally we'll eat them. Now I'm going to show you how I do this in my journal, but you can also do it in your Google slide. Here comes my journal, so I can copy exactly what I see here on the screen. I'll need my 5 boxes, my 5 labels, watch out plants, before I'm ready to eat. So I'm going to take my pencil and partition down the middle. So I have one side for words and one side for the picture. If you're working in your journal today, you can get it out and you can get it ready like me. Now that we have a line down the center, we've got to add some more lines going sideways. So I'm going to start at the top and give you about 3 fingers and draw a line. 3 fingers, draw a line. 3 fingers, draw a line. 3 more fingers, 1 more line. Everyone needs to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one side, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the other side. Now I'm going to go add the labels just like I see on the screen. The first one says flower. Repeat it and write it. Flower. Flower. My next one says leaves. Repeat it and write it. Leave. Silent E-S. Leaves. After leaves, we have the stem. Repeat it and write it. Stem. On top of the stem, below the stem, we have the roots. Repeat it and write it. Roots. And the last one are those tiny, tiny little seeds. Repeat it and write it, please. Everybody have 5 labels. What do they say? Flower, check. Leaves, check. Stem, check. Roots, check. And seeds, check. Now here comes the fun part. Searching, 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 searching for those plant parts. What flowers do I eat? Because I don't eat these flowers. I like to eat this flower. Do you remember what this flower is called? Broccoli, broccoli. I'm gonna add my broccoli here in my flower box. I found my first plant part to eat. The broccoli is the flower. After the flower, I'm looking for leaves. Leaves. I'm not eating these leaves. I like to eat lettuce. Have you ever eaten lettuce before? Lettuce is a leaf. I might have to break off a little bit so it'll fit better on my journal box. Here I've got a leaf of lettuce, a flower of broccoli. Now we need a stem. What stems did we see in the video that they eat? They're tall, long, and crunchy. Celery! Remember celery? Now I don't need these leaves on the top. I want this crunchy, crunchy stem. Here's my celery going in my stem box. Now I need roots down in the dirt. What were those plants growing down in the dirt? They had to clean them off and make sure they were ready to eat. They're orange. They're called what? Carrots! I got a little baby carrot here. Finally, I need seeds. Seeds. Where can I find seeds to eat? Oh, big, juicy. Look at all those seeds. Can you see them? So many seeds covering this strawberry. He's big, juicy, delicious, and full of seeds. Take a look at my journal today. I've got my flower, my leaves, my stem, my roots, and my seeds. Now that they're all sitting on my journal in the place with the labels, I can grab my tablet and I can take a picture to turn in to the teacher, which I know you know how to do that. We click our white button to add, click use camera, and here we're going to take the best picture of our work. Click and submit. If you are not working in your journal, placing your yummy plants like I just showed you, you could also work in your Google Slide. I'll show you that option as well. Open your slide. Click your pen to edit your slide. And then move to the last page where you see this organizer. When you come here, you can look at your plants in your journal and then illustrate them with your finger. My flower is the broccoli. Illustrate, show me details. My leaves are those big spinach, lettuce leaves. My stem, I had that celery, the long, skinny, light green, crunchy, crunchy. Roots, we had a delicious orange carrot. Now, you might find different roots to eat at your house. If you find something different, draw me what you find. And you can always add a label to make sure I know what it is. Here's a carrot. And my seeds, I had this juicy, juicy strawberry. But there's so many different seeds you could find. You'll have to look around and see what you have. But draw me a picture, use your color, and you can even add a label. Strawberry. Here are carrots, celery, lettuce, and broccoli. I'm not sure how to spell broccoli. I've added my pictures. I've even added labels here. Lots of color. You have the option of a journal picture today or your tablet slide. Whichever you decide to do, I hope you enjoy eating some plants with me today. Thank you for working hard. Do your best. And I'll see you on Monday, plant people. Adios.